Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are answering mathematics paper 2 for 2025 for GCE candidates. So we are going to start with our question 1 right here. So our question 1 reads simplify. So here we are going to simplify this expression that we have. So we have a squared b power 3 divided by 2c times ac squared over 2b divided by b squared c over 2a. So how can you simplify this? So the first thing, look at the operations. We have a multiplication here, we have a division. So you can work out this for division by writing a squared b cubed divided by 2c multiplied by ac squared over 2b. So you change from division to multiplication. So what will happen to this other fraction is that the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. So you are going to have 2a as the numerator over b squared c as the denominator. Alright, so after writing this, what you are going to do is we can start checking in the diagonals. In these diagonals, if at all there are terms or there are variables and the coefficients that we can divide or simplify. So here we have a 2 here, 1 here, 1. You have seen that. Then you can also notice that we have b power 3, then we have b squared. So we can say this b squared 1 into b power 3 will remain with a b. Okay, so I'm sure you are following here. Then from here again you can notice that we have c squared, then there is a c here. So when you cancel c squared 1, c here 1 into c squared, it goes 1 time, but you remain with a c. So c here 1 into c squared, it's a 1. Now remain with a single c here because this c was squared. So let's write what you are remaining with. So you are remaining with a squared over 2c. Okay, then here there is a b also, don't forget that, times here there is a, then there is a c here over a b, times here there is a over, then here we are remaining with a 1 because there is a 1, there is a 1, so we are just remaining with a 1. 1 times 1 is a 1. Then from here again we can do this, we can cancel this b1 into this b1, c1 into this c1. So you can notice that we have a squared times a, which will be a power 4, because this a is raised to a power of 2, this a to a power of 1, this a to a power of 1. So a times a, it will be a squared, again times a squared is a power 4, over here we are remaining with 2. Okay, so we have a 2 times 1 times 1, we'll get a 2. So this is our answer, a power 4 over a 2.